Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Tune 225 true wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting, in case these earbuds are not working for some reason. Maybe they're not connecting to your phone, or they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear. A factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. If it doesn't and you just want to get a new set of earbuds, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good set of earbuds at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all the pairing history, clear all the settings off of them so that you can set them up just like they're new coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do that. It's quite simple. We just need to have them in the case, lid open, and charging. So they need to be seated properly in there. Once we have that, we're just going to come in and press and hold the right button on the right earbud, the button on the right earbud for 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, the light on the earbud will actually blink, indicating that the reset is complete. We can go ahead and take these earbuds out and set them up like they're brand new.